Oh, dang! Snow day! Or the makings of, right? It's just kicking off now. Supposed to get 20 to 40 centimeters of the stuff, the white stuff. Look at it though, eh? It's coming down hard and fast. But yeah, 30 centimeters of snow. Are ya joking, bud? So hopefully we don't have to go to work. And we can stay at home and relax and chill out. Have a long weekend. How nice would that be? Some of the advantages of living in Canada, I guess. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Oh, dang. It doesn't look that bad, actually. It sounded pretty bad last night. But, I mean, you can still see the grass on the ground. It's maybe, I don't know, like a couple inches of snow. Look at this yokel over here, mowing it up. Oh, I mean, shoveling it up like a dang dingus. All by his lonesome. Well, that was wrong. Thought there was like maybe an inch of snow. More like a foot. Dang. That was hard work. I was out there for like an hour cleaning that bad boy up. But there's something very satisfying about a shovel driveway. Maybe that's a Canadian thing. So there it is. That's the end result of that giant storm. Ridiculously large pile of snow. That's crazy. So last time I went out there, it was like 5 feet, 5 to 6 feet deep of snow. It's pretty awesome. Can't wait to shovel. It's gonna be awesome. Oh God. I don't know what time it is. I don't know what day it is. I don't know who I am. But that fucking took a long time. Holy. I don't even know if a car can fit through there. But, this is craziness, dude. Look at this. Look at that size. Holy shit. I don't know. That's the best I can do. I'm only one man. Holy shit. That's the most snow I've ever seen in my life. Hopefully that's the last amount of most snow I'll ever see in my life. Okay, bye. There is enough room to get out, but she's a tight one. She is pretty darn tight. And this man tried talking to me, and I was not. I was just like, yep. Don't want to talk to you, weirdo. Happy Valentine's Day. Look at this really becoming shot. Does this look good? Is this a good angle?
Do it. Sit up because your shirt's so cute.
Show my cute sweater that I got for Valentine's Day. Thank you very much, little angel.
You're welcome.
Do you want to tell them what I got you?
Got me ice cream and a chocolate. Chocolate heart on a stick that I just ate.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
Perfect. Good job, little angel. So that's the end of the snow day. 2-day snow day. That was intense, man. That was a lot of snow, right?
It was a 5-day weekend because Friday was a snow day, right?
You had Friday off. I had to go in halfway. It was a half day for Friday.
Friday off, Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what snow looks like. And have a great day. You want to say anything else? Okay. God bless. Oh. I have no idea how. There's no way. This is craziness. That's insanity. I have no idea. No idea how this is gonna work. This is fucked, bud. This is fucked, bud. Okay. I'm gonna stop this now and clear out this garage. Try to shovel out the garage first. Oh, God.